This is the Boeing one-day reading for July 9th, 2024. It's currently June 3rd, 2024, 7:58 p.m. Eastern Time. Boeing at the time of this reading is $184.57. That's USD. The shuffle video for the July 9th reading was created on May 24th, 2024 at 12:20 a.m. Eastern Time. That's a video playing for you in the lower left corner. The overall theme of behavior for Boeing on the 9th, we have notable price swings that'll stand out on a multi-day scale. Behavior around the highest high, there's a notable opportunity. This will really stand out when we look back at all of the daily, the opportunities on a one-day reading throughout the month of July. We'll find that the high here on the 9th indicated a significant trade opportunity. Behavior around the lowest low, we have a decline that increases with momentum moving forward into the low. It also looks like there's a cash out opportunity there as well. I'm advised to trade around a notable bottom standing out on a multi-day scale. Now, before I get into the hour by hour chart behavior as well as timing the highs and the lows and the best trade opportunities, I just want to make sure you're aware. The whole purpose of the channel is to transmute some of the competitive energy of the stock market into goodwill. We do that by following the rule of karma for the channel. You go to the resources tab of our website, Tarot for Traders, and 5% of the profits from every profitable trade utilizing this information should be donated forward to one of these charities, or pick a charity of your choosing as long as you're paying 5% forward, and then 5% should be sent back to the channel through one of these links. If you're international, you can use Wise or you can use YouTube tips, and that leaves you at 90%. Make sure to spend that 90% out of love. As long as you follow those rules, you follow the rule of karma for the channel, the universe considers you an angel investor. It's going to send it back to you tenfold for following through. Blessings to all my angel investors. Let's get back into it. So in the pre-market, we have a decline from a resistance level that's important on a one-day chart scale minimum. It's a resistance level that we decline from, and then we'll return to it shortly thereafter. It looks like we returned to it in the first half hour. So we decline from that, and then at the open, there's three crisscrosses back and forth through the same price level. Some pretty notable price swings there at the open, and then out of a decline, we have a big move to take us back to highs. There was a high in the pre-market. We come back to that resistance here by 10 o'clock. There's a breakout through that resistance momentarily, and then there's a notable decline, a sideways fluctuating decline that precedes a rally. That sideways fluctuating decline will take us into a low, and then that's Ace of Wands is a rally that'll take us back to a high there just a little bit after 11 o'clock. That rally offers trade opportunity. I'll talk about that in more detail in the paid version. We decline pretty notably. By 12 o'clock, we're rotating sideways along the key support level. That rotation along the key support level ends with a fast sudden move higher, starting right around 1 o'clock, taking us back into a high somewhere between 1 and 3 o'clock, probably closer to the 2 o'clock mark. From that high, we have a brief peak that's easily missed and a decline through multiple support levels there in the 2 to 3 o'clock hour. That decline then turns into volatility in the last hour. That volatility ends with a fast sudden move higher and a notable trade opportunity at the close. In the post-market, we have bumping along resistance sideways. Yeah, looks like another failed attempt at a resistance there right at the close. What's interesting is that this Valor card here is a cross-street incongruency with the low card for the July cluster on the 1 year. Actually, I'm going to scrap all that because it's not really relevant there. In any case, a sneak preview for the following day. We have quite a bit of volatility. A lot of price changes usually covered when we have this Prince of Swords, and the fact that it's in a high correlated position indicates it's a significant opportunity. We have a trade opportunity here at a low. The trade opportunity, it looks like, here at a high. We'll talk about that in more detail in the paid version. That's Boeing for the 9th of July. Let me know what you think by hitting that like button. As always, make sure to follow that rule of karma. You know where to go, you know what to do. If you don't, check out the video on our YouTube channel. Explains it all to you. It's super important. Blessings to all my angel investors. Stay tuned if you got the paid version. We're going to get into the best trades momentarily.